adopted yan ni Oyo.
Negative
Negative yung dating. Being adopted is a blessing. I don't see na parang pinakakahiya or dapat ikahiya pati dun sa mga adopted na mga bata, di ba? Growing up, ganun yung narinig ko. Ay, adopted yan ni adopted ni Ampon ni ganun.
Yeah.
Di maganda, parang negative. Na parang yun yung in-explain namin kay Kel na kapag may nagganon sa'yo, huwag mo silang paniniwalaan. Parang don't take it negatively. Di ba? And sabi nga namin sa kanya, there's nothing wrong na ipakilala mo yung sarili mo na being adopted because yun yung totoo. Di ba? Makikita naman nila sa buhay mo how you are.
Doing their job, so nakakagulat lang. Kasi parang
Kailangan nilang pupuntahan sa bahay.
nang hindi kasasabihan. Sabihan ka tapos, they would even ask you kung how much yung bank account mo, laman ng bank account mo. Sabi ko, ganito ba talaga to? So, sobrang shocking, pero sabi ko, sige, okay lang, para kay Kiel. Sige. So yun, we went through it naman. After that, mababait naman sila sa amin.
Ako, ayoko yung stigma na yung pag-adopted ka, ay adopted yan ni adopted yan ni Oyo.
Negative
Negative yung dating. Being adopted is a blessing. I don't see na parang pinakakahiya or dapat ikahiya. Magtiwala lang kayo kay God. Your time, dadating din yan. Always remember that God is in control. Na kahit na medyo matanda ka na or nagkakaedad ka na, kung hindi ka pa rin nakakalap. Nandyan yan. Dadating din yung time kung mapupunta ka sa tamang pamilya.
Yes, oo.
Family. So, just keep believing, keep praying to God. Just do it. Mahal kayo ng Diyos.
Hi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Julia Clarete at ako po ang isa sa mga pinakabagong ambassadors ng NACC. Maganda itong bagong hanay ng gobyerno natin na matulungan ng mga bata na makahanap ng tamang pamilya para sa kanila, yung mag-nurture sa kanila. So I can help by advocating their projects, spreading the word, and also promoting what NACC is all about. Adoption is a very good option for people who already have children and want to help children find their one true home. It's also good for children who have been neglected, their rights were not respected, and also children who grew up in manipulative, narcissistic, and abusive homes. Kids deserve better, and alam naman natin lahat na ang kinabukasan po ng kahit anong bansa, ng kahit anong nasyon, ay ang kanilang kabataan. And I think all kids deserve a good future. I believe that with the right nurturing, with the right care, whether it's their biological parents or their foster or adoptive parents, as long as prepared ang mga magulang, I think it will be very good for them. I feel the system of NACC na ginagawang streamlined yung adoption, mas tinututukan nila yung mga pamilyang mapupuntahan ng mga bata, at saka yung ginagawa nilang mas affordable para sa mga tao, mas may sistema. Of course, our social workers are all competent in what they do, they're very thorough. So it gives me the peace of mind na the kids will go to a good home, the kids will go to good parents, and the parents will find good kids that match their capability. So I feel good about what NACC is doing, and I feel good that there is an NACC and there's a RACO now that works for both ends of the spectrum, for the kids and for the adoptive parents or the foster parents. Thank you for opening your hearts to children that may have not come from you biologically, but spiritually and emotionally, these kids belong to you. Thank you for doing what you do. Thank you for opening your hearts to these children. And it will not always be easy. There will be challenges. Pero hindi naman yun nangyayari sa adoptive parents lang or foster parents lang. It also happens to biological parents. There will come a time when there will be humps and bumps and roadblocks. But please continue to love these kids. Please continue to nurture them. And thank you so much for having such a good heart and stable minds for these children. Keep it up. God bless you.
Thank you.